Hey, SpringGR family, Coach Rob here, and I want to ask you, are you one of those entrepreneurs that's really struggling with your time? You start in the new year and you're trying to figure out how you can make everything happen when you only got 24 hours in a day? Are you feeling like what you were doing last year and how hard you were hustling, how hard you were grinding is just unsustainable and you don't know how you're going to be able to keep it up so that you can make your dream a reality? Does it feel like you're on a hamster wheel? Like you're constantly working and doing everything for everybody, but there's no time to take care of yourself? Well, I want you to know that if that's you, I'm excited to spend some time with you on January 17th because we're going to work through how you can change that scenario, how you can stop just surviving day to day and wondering when burnout is going to happen, and how you can start thriving and living the life that you envisioned when you had your entrepreneurial dream, how you can figure out how to manifest that dream, manifest that greatness that is within you without feeling like you've got to pick either your family or your dream. So on January 17th, we're going to be doing a workshop where we're going to go through my Stop Just Surviving and Start Thriving seminar, where we're going to talk over the 5 steps that you need to implement in your life so that you can start thriving. And one of the things that's going to happen for the first 5 people to show up, you're going to get a signed autographed copy from me of my best-selling book, Thriving in Chaos: How to Manifest Your Greatness and Get More Done in Less Time with Less Stress. And during this seminar, I want you to be prepared. Get ready to take notes. Get ready to actually learn and actually do something, right? Knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is power. And in this seminar, you're going to leave not just with an understanding of how you can take ownership of your time, how you can start moving in a way that you can get everything done, but you're going to leave with actionable items that you can take and start doing something with that day. So I look forward to seeing you there. And remember, live every day like it was on purpose and in alignment with your purpose so you can make your greatness manifest in the world. Talk to you soon.